Hey guys, Mr. Soup here, bringing you another little tutorial. This tutorial today is for your squats. We want to make sure you're doing your squats safely, properly. Show you different types of squats so you can understand the different muscles that are being worked for each squat. And make sure you're comfortable doing the movement. This squat is a good functional movement. It works your quads, hamstrings, glutes, majority of your leg muscles, okay? So check out the little squat tutorial. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to ask me at the end of the video or shoot me an email, all right? Check them out.
Okay guys, the first one is our standard squat. You want to make sure your feet are about shoulder widths apart. Keep your core engaged so you don't round your upper back and overarch your lower back. Try to keep your heels down during the movement. Drive through the heels and inhale coming down, exhale coming up through the movement. Here we move to the sumo squat. Sumo squat is similar to the standard squat, but your feet are a little wider apart, can be slightly rotated out. You have a slight lean still forward in your squat. A sumo squat works a little more of the adductor muscles when doing a squat. Still keep your core tight to stabilize that spine. And now we move to a plie squat. A plie squat is a squat with your feet wider past shoulder widths apart, with your toes pointed almost directly out to the side. In a plie squat, your chest and back is almost always in an upright position. Plie squats tend to work your adductor muscles the most out of all the three squats. Make sure again your core is stabilized and your heels stay down throughout the movement.
So there you have it, guys. Little squat tutorial to make sure you're doing your squats at home safely and you feel like you're doing them safely and correctly. Taught you the difference between regular squat, sumo squat, and plie squat. All are good. All are good different types of squats. If you want, you can add some weight to up your difficulty or challenge yourself. Sumo weight. In the sumo squat, you can hold a weight in between, goblet squats, but add any weight during any squat movement to up your game. Hope you enjoyed the squat tutorial. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to email me at supar@evolveall.com, and hope everybody's staying safe. Talk to you guys later.